Welcome all to the Dr. Beasley's Clean Room. I am the Director of Success, Chris Racana, here with Matte Paint Hero, which is part of our full suite of matte-specific products. The benefit of Matte Paint Hero is that it is going to help prevent towel marks and micro marring during your drying process by reducing friction. So this is going to extend the life of your coating, and is also safe for your matte paint, your matte wrap, or your matte PPF, because remember folks, there is no buffing matte. The process on this product is very simple. The most important thing to remember is that we want to spray into the towel, not onto the surface. So again, spray into the towel, we address that drip or that wet spot, and then we give it a flip and a final buff off to reveal that brilliant matte finish. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. If you have any questions about this or any of our matte products, go ahead and reach out to us at myteam@drbeasleys.com.